So, hello and welcome back to SM Spoken English Academy. Today we came here. We came to the one of the most prominent and vibrant city of South 24 Pargana, that is Diamond Harbour. Today, in this occasion, the Saraswati Puja, and also it is the birth anniversary of Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose. Today, we came here to enjoy, and maybe not to enjoy, to learn and to practice our way of speaking and expressing ourselves in front of public, in front of crowd. Maybe whenever we are trying to speak in English, there are so many obstacles that comes. There are so many problems that we face that we cannot speak properly. But that's why today we, and please show the camera to our all the students. They are here, and so we would be doing an outdoor activity today. I would be, going to each and every individual student, asking them that how they are feeling about the city, how they are feeling about this special day, that Saraswati Puja and the birth anniversary of Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose. So let me start with our one of the most, intelligent or smart student. Oh, so here we are. Nadim, please take the mic. So Nadim, so you first tell me, what is the name of this place?
Sir, this place name is Diamond Harbour. It's a viral place in our Instagram and social media. It's a very
So let me ask you, why this place is vital and so many people, I can see there are thousands of people are standing there, and why they actually came to this place?
because sir, you can see that our sea view is totally very beautiful, and there are a natural theme. So that's why many pupils and couples here and enjoy their moments.
Yes, that's totally right. So now I would coming to another our student. So Sanjana, you tell me, what is the special occasion that today we have? What is the special about
So,
today?
sir, today two occasion we have. Firstly, Saraswati Puja, and
Yeah.
second Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose birthday.
Birth anniversary, yeah.
So, for that, we come here and we set outdoor activity. And today, in Diamond Harbour, a lot of people and
Yes.
we are doing this activity.
Yeah. So can you tell me that why people actually celebrate Saraswati Puja?
Sir, I don't know.
You
about
don't have
it.
idea. So now you tell me that how people actually celebrate Saraswati Puja.
So,
Thing.
sir, I know about something about no, because so that is in Saraswati Puja we celebrate in school, and
Yeah.
we go there wearing sari, and we enjoy with our friends and travel in many location like restaurant like
Yes. So it's a kind of festival that we celebrate.
that is a Bengali festival we
Yeah.
celebrate.
Okay, so for asking specially about Saraswati Puja, I would like to come to Shreya. Shreya, you tell me about something about Saraswati Puja. Why do we celebrate and how we celebrate Saraswati Puja?
First of all, on this occasion of Saraswati Puja, especially most of the people they enjoy with their partners.
Yes.
I don't know why.
Yeah.
They do just these useless things, and they don't focus. That's what they have to do on this occasion, on this particular occasion.
Yeah.
They just spend their time.
Okay, so if I ask
Yeah.
you that personally, how do you celebrate Saraswati Puja every year?
Okay, that's a very important question, because
Yeah.
I specially spend this special day with learning so many things. I learn so many new skills, or search so many things that can develop me more than whatever I did in my past.
Yeah, that's true.
Yeah.
Yo, so that's how. So okay, now I would like to go to Nafisa. Nafisa, so this is not all about Saraswati Puja. There is another occasion. There is another special day today we have, and that is birth anniversary of Netaji. So can you tell us something about Netaji? Who was actually Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose, and what do you know about him?
Sir, Netaji is a very celebrity person for our country, because every people know him,
Yeah.
because they are fighting and freedom our independence
Yes, they fight for our independence of our country.
of our
Yeah.
country, and for this reason we celebrate every year for their birthday, and for this reason.
Okay, that's very good response. Now, Mega, you tell me that are you feeling comfortable in outdoor activity? Because we used to speak in our classroom. Right now, we are in outdoor activity. There are so many people are watching us, and this place is very crowded. So, what's your experience?
Sir, I feel comfortable because this activity I do in Murshidabad.
Yeah.
That's why I feel comfortable.
Yeah.
And today we come here, and our so many friends come here, and our respective Sir Sami Malik also come here. And today we learn so new things, and we avoid so many people
Yes.
who have stand here, and we will still
Doing our activity.
our activity.
Yes. Okay, Nafisa, not Nafisha. You are Alina. Alina, now you tell me, is this your first outdoor activity, or you have done other activities in your past?
Yes, sir, it's my first outdoor activity.
So, how are you feeling today?
So I feel nervous, but
Yeah.
still I still I.
You are trying to come your
sir.
nervousness, and
I
you
try
trying to be
to-
comfortable.
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
Okay.
I feel nervous, but still I speak in front of people.
Okay, now in what is your name? I just forgot.
Rafi.
Rafika. Rafika, you tell me, which one is more easy? Talking in a classroom, or speaking in a outdoor? Which one is more easy? Which one is more difficult?
I think talking is classroom easy for speaking,
Yeah.
and front of other people so much difficult speaking.
We have to do more activities like this to overcome our nervousness, to overcome our fear,
Yeah.
because sometimes we are very good at speaking with ourselves and with our friends, but when we're talking in front of people, that time we really feel scared. Okay, that's a really good response. Okay, here we are. Sohail, how are you feeling today? By looking at the river, this place saw the river, and how are you feeling today by coming to the Diamond Harbour?
Sir, first of all, I think I feel nervous. But
Okay, why are you feeling nervous?
many people.
So many people are watching you just because you're so forget about people. Speak. How are you feeling today?
I'm
Speak
feeling,
with confidence.
yes, sir. I feel very good.
Yeah.
But this river, this name is Diamond Harbour, and
River.
especially especially Diamond Harbour is very big river,
Yes.
and many people.
They're enjoying.
Enjoying.
They're spending this holiday with
Holiday.
their loved ones. Yeah.
Yes.
So
sir.
what is the special day today?
Yes, sir. Saraswati Puja
Saraswati
and
Puja.
Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose in birthday.
Okay, that's a good response. Okay, now Nadim, you tell me that do you think this kind of special occasion, is this the best time to do this kind of activity, outdoor activity?
This type of occasion in best for that type of outdoor activity, because sir, outdoor activity we conducted for our overcome our fearness.
Yes.
In a occasion, thousand people just looking here.
Yeah.
And they.
Are you feeling scared?
Yes,
Are you
sir.
feeling scared?
Yes, a little
A little
bit.
bit. You are a bit
I
little
feel
bit.
nervous, but sir, I speak. I
Yeah,
nervous.
so you are speaking, yeah.
I didn't stop. Many people are looking us. They judge us. They comment us, but they never stop us.
Yes.
So don't think about anyone, and
Yeah.
just speak and overcome my fairness.
Okay, so one advice I would like to share you, that whoever is commenting anything,
Yes, sir.
they don't have the courage to speak 1 second in front of camera, in front of all those public, but you are doing that. That means you are superior. You are doing something great. So you have to be motivated for that. Okay, you stop caring about all those people who can't even stand for 1 second in front of camera, in front of this public, in front of this crowd. So you don't need to be demotivated. I hope you can understand.
Sir,
Okay,
that
yeah.
thing give me power to
Yes,
speak.
to speak, to carry on, to learn whatever you want to learn.
Yes.
Okay, that's a really good advice. Okay, right now you just stand here and you take the camera and okay, you hold the mic. Okay. Okay, right now, let me tell you something. Right now, I am asking one of our brightest students, and he is also the editor of this our SM Spoken English Academy's team. He has been editing so many things for so many months. So right now, I would be asking to that person, to that student, and his name is Abhijit. Okay, so Abhijit, first of all, I would like to know, how are you feeling today?
I am feeling excited, and I also feel confident because I have done the outdoor activity in Murshidabad.
Yes.
But on that activity, there is too less people on
yes.
watching us. But there is, as you can see, there is a lot of people watching us, and maybe they are judging us or something like
Yeah.
that. But still, we didn't stop. We don't stop
Yeah.
for this kind of people or like that.
Yeah.
And yeah, I feel really great because whenever I do something new,
Yeah.
it's feel.
It's very common that
Common,
people
yeah.
will give you the comments and they will judge you. But
Yes.
still, we should should not stop.
Yes, the goal, whatever we goal have in in our mind or in what we want to do. So we cannot stop for people or society.
definitely.
We'll do that.
Yeah, so that's very true. So as you know that today is a Saraswati Puja. So in the morning, did you offer Puspanjali and all of this kind of things?
Yes, I wake up 7 or 6:30 a.m. and I going to bath, and then I going to my friend's house. I went there and I did Puspanjali, and then I go with my friends to some schools to watching some Saraswati Thakurs, and then I came here.
Okay,
to
that's very good
attend this
response.
activity.
Okay. Now, Sanjana, so I don't know that how do you actually celebrate Saraswati Puja, but don't you think this year is totally different for you? Because you are not only going to your school for enjoying, but you attend some activities. So what's your feeling about that?
If I talk about my past year, me and my friend, we go our school and Bhasha Mandir, we enjoy. But in this year, we come here to do some activities, and that activity really great. Than the enjoyable thing in life, like traveling or something. And today we are doing something great, that we are speaking in front of people, and we are overcome our fairness. For that, I think that is more than enjoy in real life.
So are you proud of yourself?
Yeah, sir, I'm really proud of myself because I think few months before I didn't feel that much confident. But now I am speaking in front of people and in front of camera.
Yeah, definitely. So now, Megha, you tell me that what is your plan? How you are going to spend the time right here in the Diamond Harbour after completing this activity?
After completing this activity, we will sit near any chair and beside of rivers, and we talk about we talk about something that really help us for our future, and we will learn from you, sir, because you have more knowledge than us, and always you supported us.
So that's all. Okay. So let me get back to Shreya. Shreya, you tell me one thing, that is this your first time that you are visiting Diamond Harbour?
Yes, definitely. This is my first time to visit here, and also this is my first time outdoor activity. So definitely, I'm really very excited and feel very confident. Because we always do activities in our classroom. And there's so many crowds, so many people around us. So definitely, I'm very excited.
Yes, that's very true. So do you think that we should, continue this activity in other places also?
Absolutely. We should do this kind of activities because it helps us to develop our skills.
Yes.
Because this is a very practical thing. So we have to do in a very practical place like this.
Like this, in a very crowded place. Yeah, that's very true. Okay, so right now, as you have seen that there are some of our students, they express themselves in front of public. They express themselves in front of crowd, in front of the camera. And as you can see, all the people are around, they're enjoying, they're experiencing the moment. And we have the river on our right hand side and the beauty of the nature. So we should not be bounded by our classroom. We should not be limited by our classroom activity. So that's the initiative that we have taken this year, this month. It's a new year and new activity has been introduced. So every month we are going to conduct minimum 2 to 3 or maybe it's more than 4 activity. We will be conducting outdoor activity where students not only enjoy the place but they will overcome nervousness, whatever the kind of fear they have, and definitely they can be a great speaker in English. We are from SM Spoken English Academy and you have watched everything, the activity what I have conducted. So thank you for watch the video till the end and see you in the next video. Okay, stop it.